In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to change the frame size in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So I have my sample footage in here, which is this one. And as you can see, it's very much zoomed in, which is not good. So one option that you have is that you want to right click on your footage and click on scale to frame size. And Premiere would automatically adjust the footage of your choice that you have selected into scale to frame size to fit the frame size. One other thing that you can do if you don't want this is that you can manually set the zoom out or the scaling of the footage itself. So click on your icon or the video right here in the timeline and go into effect controls and then just go into scale and then just adjust it to fit the frame size. So this is your other option. Now, one last thing that you could do if you don't want to do either of them is that you could go into sequence and go into sequence settings. In here, you have the frame size. So you could actually adjust the frame size of the sequence itself instead of adjusting the frame size of the video. So first, let's view the frame size of this video so that it would fit perfectly by right-clicking on the video right here and going into properties. And then you should have this, and then you'd now be able to see the image size. So just need to remember that. So I just need to go into sequence settings right here, sequence settings, and then I just put it right here, and which is 3840 with 2160, which is basically 4K. And now once you have changed the frame size, you can now click on OK and click on OK right here, and then the frame size will now be altered. And now if you go into 100, it will now fit perfectly with the footage or the video that you have chosen. So that's it on how you'd be able to change the frame size in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.